Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidin bin Abdul Karim. My matrix number is CN190145. So now I will present about the lab 8, which is electric motor. The introduction of this electric motor practical is electric motor is any of a class of device that convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. The most electrical motor develop their mechanical torque by the interaction of conductors carrying current in a direction at right angles to a magnetic field. And the type of electric motor differs in the ways in which the conductor and the field are arranged, and also in the control that can be exercised over mechanical output torque, speed and position. And the electric motor can be powered by the direct current source such as from batteries or rectifiers, and can be powered also by alternating current source such as power grid, inverters or electrical generators. Electrical motor produce linear or rotary force intended to propel some external mechanism. Next, for the objective, the aims of this experiment in conduct as shown below, which is the first one is to identify the type and amount of electric motor used in biodiesel pilot plant, to analyze the amount of energy that consumed by electric motor, and the last one is to identify the cost of energy used from the electric motor at biodiesel plant. So for the theory of the electric motor is an electromagnet basis concept. So the simple electromagnet can be conducted by wrapping 100 loops of wires around a nail and connecting it to a battery. Then the nail would become a magnet and have a north and south pole while the battery is connected. So the example of the concept can be shown in figure below. So the procedure of this experiment is, first one is to make sure to wear PPE such as helmet, safety shoes and others that's suitable for conducting experiment. And next, identify the amount of the device that use electromotor that operate in plant. Next is identify the type of pump such as centrifugal pump, vacuum pump and diaphragm pump and its function. Identify the specification of pump. Identify the power rating of the pump, types of phase in the pump, and the duration for the pump to be operated in biodiesel plant. And the last one is use multimeter to measure power by the pump to make sure it is accurate in reading. And for the observation, the motor makes a little noise as the rotor settles in position. The ringing is the engine's natural resonance frequency, and by exceeding equaling the speed of the motor, the usual resonance frequency is enhanced. The noise problem most frequently occurs when the testing a step motor with the motor unmounted or uncoupled from any charge. So this is the result of the experiment. The efficiency of the pump can be calculated with the formula of power of machine output over power rating machine and multiplied by 100%, and the cost for the each type of machine can be calculated by the quantity multiplied by power rating multiplied by 8 hours and multiplied by tariff. So the average of the efficiency of the electric motor is 161.88%, and the total cost of the pump is 124 and 68 cents. So the discussion of the experiment is each pump has the power and rating power to identify its efficiency. Some pumps did not reach half of the efficiency value, which is lower than 50% efficiency. The power consumed for the electric motor not too high because it is only used for PNP session. And the cost calculated only for 8 hours because in UTHM the estimates time that using the plan was lower than 8 hours. So for the conclusion of this experiment is student able to know the concept of theoretical value for electric motors such as power rating, torque, power mechanical output, and efficiency through experimentation. And motor differs in terms of their specification to serve specific purpose. And a pump designed to transport a medium such as water through a short pipe will require a much lower power rating and mechanical output. Next is student able to understand how the electric motor function at the detection body cell plant, as well as compare the difference in recorded data for each electric motor after 8 hours of operation. The last one is appropriate maintenance will boost the efficiency of the electric motor and lowering the cost of operating for the electric motor. That's all from me. Thank you.